Jovi, what are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Is your hat falling down? Come here, let me fix your hat. There you go. Oh, you're not doing it anymore, what you just did for like 3 minutes straight. There, she walks out to there, turns around and walks back. You want to get up there? What are you doing? Coming back this way? Do some circles. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to BB and Chuz and Gigi and Grampy. Yeah? Daddy will be home very soon. Can you say... Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. Say hi. You're so cute. I think you like this squeaky, crunchy noise that the snow makes. Hey, hey, hey. You wait for Mommy. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Can you say bye? Say uh-oh. She said, but I didn't throw anything on the floor, Mommy. Can you wave bye? I have two. Oh, there we go. Bye. Bye-bye. Jovi?